नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों। आज हम प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज इसमें प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ एयर यह भाग पढ़ेंगे। विच आर द गैसेस प्रेजेंट इन द एयर? व्हाई इज एयर कॉल्ड होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर? व्हाट आर द यूजेस ऑफ द वेरियस गैसेस इन एयर? देन properties of air. Air is all around us. We cannot see it, yet we feel the presence of air. When we inhale, air is taken in through the nose. If we blow on our hand through our lips, we can feel the air. Then we are take one practical of it. Take a stick from a broom or a paper or a plastic straw. Tie a thread at its center and hang it so that it remains horizontal. Tie two rubber balloons of the same size at the two ends of the stick. See to it that that stick remains horizontal. Now remove one balloon, inflate it and tie it again at its original position. Does the stick remains horizontal? The stick goes down on the side of the inflated balloon. That means that air has weight. Air is a mixture of gases, therefore, like all other matter, it has mass and weight. यानी उसे वजन और जगह वह लेता है. Okay. Then we take second practical of it. Take an injection syringe without the needle, pull its position and observe it. As you do so, the piston can be pulled out easily. The piston then remain in that position even if you let it go. Now close the inlet hole of the syringe tightly with your thumb. Pull the. इसमें आपको जो इंजेक्शन लेंगे उसमें ध्यानपूर्वक देखना है कि सुई लगी ना हो. सुई बिल्कुल नहीं लेना है, सिर्फ आपको इंजेक्शन लेना है, जिससे आपको एयर के प्रेशर के बारे में आसानी से पता चलेगा. यह प्रयोग आपको ध्यानपूर्वक करना है, जिससे कि आप आसानी से जो एयर का प्रेशर है उसको देख सकेंगे. यह आप थोड़ा अच्छे से मन लगाकर करें. And let it go. Is the force required to pull out the piston more or less than before? Does the piston remain as it is after you let it go? The molecules of the gases in the air are in the constant motion. When these molecules strike a body, they create a pressure on the body. This is the pressure of the air that we call atmospheric pressure. On pulling the piston with the inlet hole of the syringe closed, more space becomes available to the air in the syringe. It becomes rarefied. As a result, the pressure of the air in the syringe is lowered. Comparatively, the pressure of the outside air is very high. That is why when the pull out the piston is released, it is immediately pushed in. If this experiment is repeated, holding the syringe in the different positions like vertical, horizontal or inclined, the piston is found to go in the same extent in all the cases. From this we can infer that atmospheric pressure is the same in the all the direction. हमने बलून और इंजेक्शन की सहायता से एयर प्रेशर के बारे में अभी तक देखा. थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर हियरिंग मी.